We are here today with Ben Murray. Ben, welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me on.
Today we're going to be talking about something that I feel like I see videos about this topic all the time on YouTube. People saying that they are making these faceless YouTube channels. So like no one wants to put their face on camera. They're making these videos without actually having to do that, without actually having to say anything. And they're making a ton of money from it. I've actually done reaction videos to this type of stuff. I've looked at it. People really are making money doing this. But of course, there's work involved. You have to go out there and research the topic. You have to create the videos. You have to upload the content. So there's like this whole thing where they make it look like it's so lucrative and passive, actually becomes some work as well, and some tech skills involved. Apparently, you and your partners have come out with a way of doing this that is a lot more hands-free, a lot more newbie-friendly, that's going to allow anyone to actually do this. I'm going to read off the headline and let you bring us in here. It says, first ever entire AI channel creation automation tech. AI creates and ranks unique faceless video channels on YouTube and TikTok automatically. So bring us into this. What's this all about, and why should we be excited?
Yeah, so imagine having unique, congruent, faceless YouTube or TikTok channels that essentially just run themselves, like creating the content, posting videos, coming up with the ideas, ranking themselves, all on 100% autopilot if you want. Now, that may sound a little far-fetched, but that's exactly what Channel Builder AI is going to let you do. Now, this is way more than like another AI video maker. There's already a lot of those out there, and it does create really cool AI faceless videos with full timeline editing. But this is really the first to automate the creation, ranking, and growth of entire unique channels on YouTube and TikTok, meaning that you can just enter a keyword or even just choose a topic, and it's going to create hundreds of unique quality faceless AI channels completely optimized and uploaded for you, and for just about any business need or niche. And certainly, you're going to be able to make some money off of one out of hundreds of channels here. So then you just, keep feeding the winners and scaling the winners. And with this, you can do things like profit from just views alone. You can send traffic to affiliate product, like for example, make a marketing tips AI faceless channel and then send traffic to like a JV Zoo product. I'm sure many people have been approved for those. You can sell mass bundles of AI videos and run like a faceless AI video agency, and many, many more opportunities with this.
Yeah, you've already touched on some great ways of using this. I mean, the fact that you could just use it to send traffic anywhere you want. You could use it to do affiliate promos. You could use it to, like, you could set up a gig on Fiverr and just create full channels and sell them to people. And you could create them and watch them get traction, watch which topics are working, which topics aren't working, or just offer this as a service to people and have really competitive pricing, because it's not going to take you hours of time to set these up. You can just do it using the software, which I think that's incredible. Now, one thing that you mentioned before is that this isn't just another AI video creator, because we've seen a lot of those specifically this year and last year. This one will actually upload the videos for you, correct? Like I don't have to create the video and then take the videos and upload them up there. This does it for you hands-free?
Right, yeah. So there's two ways. There's like manual mode where you can make the videos by hand with timeline editing, or you can simply put it on automatic mode where it will do everything for you, including optimizing, finding unique ideas, actually uploading them for you, publishing them according to a schedule that it builds out, so they're staggered correctly. Yeah, so this is the first one that can actually automate the channels 100% for you if you want.
So, because like sometimes, there's times when you want to create stuff that's a little bit nicer. You want to go in there and tweak things, which it sounds like you can do with
Mhm.
this. But then there's other times when don't necessarily really care if the content is amazing. The idea behind that content is to drive traffic or to rank in the search engines, and we just kind of want to throw a bunch of it out there and see what works, and not have to actually create it ourselves. Now, as far as using this for clients, and we're going to talk about the different versions of this because I know that you've got like a front end offer and then you've got a bundle discount and all that fun stuff. But are there going to be limitations on how many videos we can create, etc.?
Yeah, so there's some limitations on the front end version which you can get into, but I just want to point out very quickly, there's
Sure.
an interesting story behind this.
Okay.
So I thought that faceless AI channels were the biggest opportunity this year to break through because essentially just making the video, that's the business model. So I partnered with some of the best video developers, Atlas Web Solutions, to make it. And then whenever we were getting feedback and testing from partners, Abby Dwavidi, another great AI entrepreneur, said that he sort of thought that this was the best idea as well. And his team was building like their big product of the year, which was also a faceless AI channel automation solution. So we decided instead of having to launch like two apps back to back and sort of confuse people, just to combine it into the best faceless channel offer there is available. So actually, this is the first deal where you're getting two different apps. So you're getting the one we've been talking about called Magicflix AI, which has the manual or automatic mode, but also you're getting Abby's faceless reel in the deal, which is automates faceless channels a different way. And certainly you're going to have success with one of those two apps.
How are they different, Ben? What are the big differences between the two of them?
So it's basically it's like the style of video. So as you'll see, the Magic Clicks AI makes the videos a certain type of way. Basically, from what I was studying, seeing like what kind of channels actually got traction and took off.
Hmm.
Abby's is a little bit more customizable, as you can add things like talking head avatars. You can add yourself as an AI avatar. It's more slide style based. So you can create a whole bunch of different unique videos and have them posting to the same channel with both of these.
Okay, so you get that's kind of cool. Yeah, I've never seen that before either. I know that yeah, you guys were planning on doing your own separate product launches, but you've teamed up and it actually makes it better for the customers. Like you said, the customers are going to be paying for one product, but getting two essentially for the price of one. Before we continue on here, I want to let people know that we're going to be doing a quick little demo here on the call. But if you're interested in learning more about this, I know that you're doing some pre-launch webinars for this. Let us know when those are going to be and why should they attend those.
Yeah, so the first one is April 29th, Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on that, you'll, of course, see a showcase of all these softwares in action, plus training on what's actually working, how to actually make a very high quality faceless channel fast. And that will have the best deal available because we like to reward early action takers. It'll actually be me on the call live, not like actors or anything like that. So there's real training, and we are actually seeing who buys early and rewarding them. But if for some reason you missed that, there is one follow-up one at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, April 30th. Um, and then the actual page will go live the at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the 30th.
Cool. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and you guys can sign up for that. I'll have a link for that below or above or wherever. But I'm going to play a quick little demo just so you guys can kind of see what we've been talking about. When we come back, Ben's going to let us know exactly what you're going to be getting if you decide to purchase this and a little bit of a sneak peek into that bundle discount. We'll be right back.
In this video, we'll go over how to use Magicflix AI to create winning faceless AI story videos and automate entire AI faceless channels. Tons of new users are already setting up their faceless channels and selling these AI videos to businesses, replacing old video ads that take forever to make with many magical AI story ones that hook listeners and sell like crazy. Soon you can fully automate and rank winning faceless AI story videos and channels on YouTube, TikTok, and more, like Mr. Nightmare or Magnets Media that got millions of followers in just weeks and make thousands per month. As you'll see, it only takes 4 easy steps. First, just choose your video theme. Choose from manual mode, where you can let AI craft any idea you have into a story script and video with detailed customization, or choose automatic mode and let the app create and post multiple videos on autopilot. Select where the videos will go, the type, and pick a ready-made theme like motivational, scary, kid stories, and more to create an AI congruent channel around. Then add AI narrators and art styles. Select from ultra-realistic narrators for specific story styles, add matching background music, and choose an AI art style like realism, Pixar, anime, fairy tale, and much more. Choose your duration and hit create. Next, customize your video. Preview the video and edit anything such as the AI story script that gets created, or switch to advanced mode and use the point and click timeline editor to adjust slide times, add custom images, add videos and stock images, or generate new AI images with custom prompts and characters. Add awesome effects to your video or transitions to make the video really engaging, exciting, and fun exactly how you want. Then auto schedule and automate. View specific content calendars for each AI series you create and see when videos will be created and posted automatically if you chose automatic mode. Click any video to reschedule it, download, or adjust it. Bonus step, rank your videos and channels to guarantee results. Make sure your channel outranks competing channels by finding fresh topics and trends that relate to specific keywords to make viral videos around. Optimize your video by finding and adding the best long-tail keywords for your niche, seeing the value in competition scores. Find video titles for YouTube, TikTok, and other networks that will result in a higher click-through rate and ranking by just entering the video's subject or title. Get far better descriptions to rank higher in search results and AI suggestions. Find the best Instagram, TikTok, and more hashtags for way more eyeballs to your specific video or channel. And best of all, create eye-popping video thumbnails with our AI YouTube Viral Thumbnail Optimizer in just a click. Okay, so let's dive into the app in more detail now. To get started, log into the Cloud app and click Create New Video Series to create a new Faceless AI channel or collection of Faceless AI videos that are congruent to each other. Start from either automatic mode, where Magic Flex AI will create and post videos for you according to a few preset buttons you select, or manual mode, where you can customize each video in more detail. First, choose a destination where you want the video finally posted, such as a YouTube account, TikTok account, etc. If you selected manual mode, you can describe what you want your AI video to be about, and our AI writer will craft it into a unique story script better than generic AI script writers. Note that if you chose automatic mode, you can have AI create multiple videos automatically. Choose the schedule you want the AI to create and post the video around. Note that you can edit these times manually if needed. Pick from video topic themes. It will create a congruent channel around, like scary stories, bedtime stories, facts, history, and much, much more. The built-in AI is programmed to write a captivating script from months of testing and studying winning faceless AI stories based on your theme selection. Then choose a realistic sounding narrator. We've added great sounding human realistic type narrator voices that are perfect for telling stories. Then add background music if desired, with selections that correspond to the theme. Next, choose an AI art style. There's awesome styles to pick from, like comic book, Disney, anime, realism, and more. Choose a language and your video's duration, then hit create. Magic Flex AI will create your video for you in seconds and schedule it to go live at optimal times to your video channel. If you like, you can customize everything about the video if desired. First, preview what your video will look like, then add any customizations if needed, including editing the title, caption, video script, scheduling time, and more. To customize the video in depth, like changing out times, AI images, etc., with the timeline editor, click Editor. Here we can easily customize each asset of the video to get it exactly how we want. Here we can see the drag and drop advanced timeline editor, which lets us make our video exactly how we need. By clicking each image and dragging it, we can adjust the time each AI image and slide will appear and the duration of it. If you don't like the image, you can easily change it out. You can upload your own image or generate a new AI image with a specific prompt to get one exactly how you want, with the ability to include detailed prompting so you can include specific AI characters or scenes from previous slides, videos, or AI image projects. Also, choose to add stock images from a gigantic library of pro options or video clips to your videos as well if you want. Then choose to customize the video effects that will happen when each AI image or clip is shown. Click on the image and choose from motion effects like pulse, breathe, ascend, spiral, and more. Customize the transition that happens between each image and slide, adding animation effects like fade, wipe left, slide, distance, smooth, etc. Hit save, and now we can download the video if desired, update it more, or choose a time when the video will be posted to the social media. Then hit submit to get our project underway. If you chose automatic mode, the app will choose a hot niche, make congruent videos for it, so there's a clear theme, style, storyteller, and schedule them all for you hands-free if desired each day. If you want, you can set up several AI faceless video channels, see which ones take off, then continue to automate the winners. By going to series and clicking view details, we can see all the videos we've created and the times they're set to go live on your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. using the calendar view. Simply select each one to change the video around or the scheduling time. Want to guarantee your videos will outrank the competition? Leverage the AI Intelligence tab to optimize your videos and channels so they get higher click-through rates and SEO rankings in multiple social networks. First, use the Content Topic Generator to find fresh video ideas to use in our channel. Enter a topic, keyword, URL, or description, and see suggestions that could go viral or engaging and could be solid evergreen topics and more. To tap into hot trends and create viral videos, click Trends and enter a niche topic to see video ideas that are hot right now, are starting to go viral, are trending today, and are generally popular to get solid results with. Now let's start optimizing even further by adding the best long-tail keywords to our videos, title, description, and channel to outrank the competition. Enter a keyword and see how valuable each long-tail keyword that gets suggested is and how much competition there is to outrank other videos with it. Go a step further and re-optimize video titles by entering a previous video title or keyword. Get video title suggestions that can result in higher click-through rates and algorithm rankings with category suggestions such as clickbait, question, list, shocking, and more. You can even optimize video descriptions for better rankings and click-through rates. Enter your video's previous title or an example title and a brief summary or previous description and let AI Intelligence optimize it into a much better one with SEO optimization and suggested timestamps even. Get the best hashtags to go viral for your video or channel on TikTok, Instagram, or other networks with the hashtags generator. See what's trending and popular right now. And best of all, create eye-popping video thumbnails with our AI Viral Thumbnail Optimizer in just a click. Choose your network, the art style, and generate multiple thumbnails if needed until you find an amazing one that fits your brand, ready to boost your video in algorithms. At any time, you can pause automatic mode campaigns, change around API keys so they work with specific clients, and more. Now, there's much more to Magicflix AI, but I think you get the picture at this point. Never before has it been this easy to not just create amazing faceless AI videos, but automate the creation of entire faceless AI channels. Now you can make tons of high-quality AI videos for ads, content generation, sales videos with magical images and engaging stories that captivate. Plus, create entire traffic-sucking channels with videos that are congruent to a theme, style, narrator, and more on complete autopilot if desired. The future of marketing is AI faceless content since you can generate it en masse, and there's no easier tool to help you do this than Magicflix AI.
Okay, so we are back. So Ben, as far as the offer for this, and I know we talked earlier about the fact that you are combining two apps into one. So I'm really interested to hear about how you're going to be putting this all together. People can go through the sales funnel, or you've got a special bundle discount for them to get. Tell us what they're going to be getting if they get that bundle discount.
Right. So if you get the bundle discount for the first time ever and last time, because I promised we'll never doing this again, you're getting two funnels in one. So normally it's a big deal, and there's been a lot of pushback about putting all your upgrades into one bundle deal and getting rid of the recurring fees and yearly fees. But not only are you getting that with the Magicflix AI, you're also getting the whole funnel and all the upgrades for a low one-time fee with no recurring fees or credits or anything of Faceless Reel 2. So for a one-time price, you're getting two funnels with all the recurring fees waived and all the credits waived. So we're never going to do that again. It was just sort of like a weird coincidence that we are both launching like the same idea.
Well, it didn't make sense to compete with each other. Might as well go and make it a win-win for you. Like, you guys are going to make money from it. The customers are going to keep some money in their pockets. It makes sense.
Right, exactly. So you're going to be getting that. And yeah, I mean, you can get individual upgrades as well, but some of those are recurring in nature. But with the bundle deal, basically you're getting the unlimited licensing to both, all the fees waived, all the recurring fees waived, white label rights, agency rights, to both softwares and a lot of additional softwares, including AR Magic, which does augmented reality marketing, Abby's AI Offices, which lets you run an HR, white label AI employee business, a voice cloner app to clone your voice in these voices, and basically the biggest offer we'll ever put out there.
I mean, yeah, I was looking at the sales funnel here. If you go through it one by one, there's like 8 different things in there. This is bigger than a bigger funnel than you guys normally do, and I think the reason is because you're dealing with two software here. But if you so you can go through it one by one if you want to, or you can go ahead and pick up that bundle discount. Do you have any idea off the top of your head how much people are saving if they decide to get that bundle as compared to going through the funnel? Do you have any clue what that is?
Yeah, so you're saving about $900 per year in recurring fees. So if you buy the bundle deal, you'll save $900, and then you won't have to pay the recurring fee each year to keep it working.
Well, it makes sense there. So, but of course, if people just you're free to do what you want, but if you're gonna get any of the upgrades there, most likely the bundle is going to be the right choice. Ben, as far as what you're most excited about this, if you were to take this and you wanted to monetize this and see results quickly, what would you do? What would be your strategy that you would recommend people getting this do to see their first wins with this?
Yeah, so the biggest problem I've been seeing with everyone is they have some solid offers. They've got access to some cool AI apps to sell, but they cannot get like the traffic or people to check it out. So by far the easiest thing to get traffic today is just videos on YouTube and TikTok. That's where all the attention is. That's where everyone's addicted. And the best thing is if you're confused about setting up like a funnel or getting hosting or creating like an agency page, you don't have to worry about any of that because the video is both the traffic and the business in itself. So you can just enter a keyword like interesting history facts, create a few channels, and then and then you can profit from the videos through the creators program on TikTok and YouTube because they're paying creators a nice amount to just upload a unique content, stuff that's not borrowed. This makes a unique videos. It's not like stuff that you're ripping off like a video that already went viral. So the easiest way to get your first win is just to upload the videos and profit from them. And then once you get some, you're earning from that, then you can take it a step further and choose if you want to go the affiliate marketing route or the agency route. And then you just add a link in your description going to your JV Zoo product or going to your agency page to sell, for example, AI video service creation, AI white label creation, depending on what sort of app you've already got, or just promote a product that you've probably already been approved for, such as a JV Zoo product, a ClickBait product that would pay, a decent 50% commission.
There's probably products, people that maybe they've bought something where they've gone white label access or resell rights to something, and it's just sitting on their computer because they don't have any traffic to it. This can solve that traffic problem. Essentially, this is a traffic generation software
Yeah,
as well.
exactly.
It creates, I mean, creating all these little videos is great, but what we're worried about, what we want to do is see the results from what these videos can actually do. And it's a hands-free traffic generating machine that you could actually, like we kind of touched on this before, you could sell these little traffic generators to businesses, and you could say, okay, I'm gonna create one. Like look at the results that we've gotten from this. Look at the results that we've gotten from this. If you want, I'll create you one of these, and I'll add content into it. I'll keep on updating it, and they're gonna think that you're in the background doing all this work when in reality you've got the software doing it for you, which is fine. It's not like you're tricking them. They don't care how it's done. They just want the videos created. They just want the traffic coming in. But I mean, you could set these up, and it sounds like it takes 5 minutes to maybe set one of these up, probably less once you've got this going.
Yep, exactly. You can definitely do that.
Ben, thank you so much for coming on the show today. Is there anything else, anything that we missed, anything you want to mention before we wrap it up?
Yeah, just go ahead and try to get on that early webinar if possible. Again, it's not just pitch stuff. There's going to be a lot of education on why this type of content creation is going to beat out the old school type things. So you definitely want to be on that to learn if you take your marketing seriously. And yeah, I think that's it.
Again, thank you so much for coming on the show and best of luck with your launch.
Thanks. See you.